up here now. Lots of bird supposed to up here. One thing, the sun. All right, let's go for the walk. Let's go for the walk, my viewers. All these hills is coming down. It's washing down. As I said, it is a beautiful afternoon. And I just decided to come out here and have a walk. See the blackberry, they're soon ready, you know. So they might be here nicely. The blackberry, look at them. Some of them can be very sweet, you know. Look, they treat them loaded. Look at that blackberry, raspberry. Yes. Well, it's still raspberry, blackberry, the same thing. Yeah. Raspberry, blackberry. Yes, my viewers. So, come with me. Come with me up the hill. Come with me up the hill, my viewers. Come with me up the hill. So the busway is out here. That's the busway, my viewers. So this is what the bus. This one here, so is for the cycle. This one is for cycle. Yeah, this one is for cycle. And if I turn around, that is for the bus. So this is what the bus travel on, my viewers. That is what the bus travel on. Go to Dunstable and to Town Centre. I can see a bus coming. Let me catch this one coming up. Yeah. See them, my viewers, that's one going to Dunstable. Yeah. Continue to follow me on the journey, my viewers. Continue to follow me on the journey. Dunstable. There's a jogger going down there. Yeah, there's a jogger going down there. And the cycle park. Alright, let me go inside here now, my brother, see what's in the hills. That's what I come up here to give you a little walk in the hills. Give you a little walk in the hills, my viewers. Yeah. See, there's track going all through the bush up there, my viewers. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pause this video and start. So my viewers, just in case I don't have these two videos together, I just pause it here because I probably had them back together, or this is probably a new video in the hills. So follow me on the journey, my viewers. And as you follow me, just like the video, share the video, comments and subscribe to the channel as I do the walk. Because the reason why I do this just in case my camera freeze for me. And because it's a bit warm. And sometimes the camera go freeze and shut down. I don't lose the whole video. Yeah. Another bus going down there. Yeah, just in case the camera freeze for me, I don't lose the whole video. Yeah. Because as I said, when you use your phone to video, sometimes it's run hot. And a hot day like this, and it's like shut you out. Alright. So I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna go around, my viewers. I'm on my own. There's a bus coming down there. A red bus going down there. Yeah. So my viewers, I am out here. And I am doing the walk. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna see, how I'm gonna see, where I'm gonna see. But all I know, I am out here and I wanna go up on the hills. But I'm taking it round. And when I walk alone, I can't bring myself in the camera much. But, you know, there's a gate here. I don't know why there's a gate here, but I'm still walking through. It's open. Yeah, I'm not climbing over a fence. Yes, my viewer, you're the pigeon in that tree over there. There's a bird, two bird flag going down there. Oh, look at these colors here, my viewers. Look at these colors here. I can hear you talking. I can hear you talking, but I can't see anybody. Let me see. I can hear you talking. So another cyclist going down there. Another cycling going down there. So I am out here. I am out here. And I am doing the walkabout, my viewers. So continue to walk with me. You're not walking from Dunstable? You're not walking from Dunstable? No. Oh. Oh, I thought they were walking from Dunstable. Yes, my viewer. So, as I said, I am out here. I thought they was walking all the way from Dunstable, but they said no. Right, so there's a fence. There's a fence. I can see a fence. And I don't really want to go. Wow, up here is pretty, man. So, my viewers, there's a fence up there. I've never come so far around here. I don't know where this will go. But wow, look how pretty these things is. Look at that, my viewers. Beautiful skyline up there. Let me take a picture of that. Yeah. So my viewers, I'm not gonna go through that gate. Right, I'm gonna go up the hill because I wanna go, sorry, I wanna go high up where I can look back out. But wow, the weed them, look at them. Like, they're like flowers. So my viewers, where I am now, I am on the top of the hill in Dunstable. Wow. Look out there, my viewers. I don't know what the wind gonna be like up here, but I am up here. I am doing the walk and I'm having fun. I'm enjoying myself in the hills. Yeah. I'm tired though, but I'm climbing. I'm climbing. Look at that, my viewers. I'm still climbing. I'm still climbing. Wow. Wow. My viewers. I take this wrong though. I should take a crossway. But I'm climbing straight. So I want to go up to the top of the hill where I can have the lookout. Look at it, my viewers. It's beautiful. There's 2 buses now. There's 2 buses. Yeah. We're going to Arstown. So my viewers, if you look way out there, I don't know if I can draw that up, but I gotta wait until I go up on the hill more. You can see Downs Dunstable Hospital straight in front of me out there. That's Downs Dunstable Hospital. And if I turn to my left, there's some blue building. They are the far one. Another bus going there again. Yeah, the far blue building is Marsh Farm, high rise. And then if you come further around, you see the 2 blue and the 2 white one. They are Ockrell Ring. They are Ockrell Ring. And way around to that building over there, Aldi's warehouse by the M1 by junction 11A. Yeah. So if I come right round, I coming across Outen Regis. I'm coming across Outen Regis. Wow, sorry my camera can't pick up things from so far. But way out there, that road. Out there where them car is. Way out there. That's the road that come from 11, junction 11 coming into Outen Regis. Yeah. Yeah. So I turn the camera around same way, and then we are in Outen Regis, and then all the way over to Dunstable. Yeah. So the higher I go on the hill is the more you will see, my viewers. So let's keep climbing. Let's keep on climbing up the hill, my viewers. Right, what I'm gonna do, if I can find a shady to go under, because I think if I go under a shady and do my pull-up, it will be easier. Wow. Wow. All right, my viewers. So I think I need to sit down now. Feel a little bit. Oh, right. I think I need to sit down for a little bit now. Right, my viewers. So, all right. So that is me now. So I just walk all the way up from out there. Beautiful hills out there, my viewers. See that? All those beautiful hills out there. So I walk up that hill, and here I am, tired, but I still have a long way to go. I still have a long way to go. So continue to follow me. Because as I said, my viewers, you can see out there. As you can see out there, my viewers, there's over there, you have the Tesco, the Aldi's warehouse, by Duncan 11A. We have Downs Dunstable Hospital, we have Marsh Farm, we have Ring. So these are bullet points that give you a rough idea where I am. So I am out here and I am doing the work. Alright? Don't know what's happening down there, but there's a light blind in my eye in that building. Alright, let me get up. Oh! Alright? Some of yours. Alright, let's go. There's two persons walking down there. Wow. I don't know what's happened, but there's a nice lookout over there, man. I never go down that side before. It's a nice lookout. Lookout over there. Over that lookout. I have never come around this side before. I come up here, but wow, I come through the gate. Close back the gate. Yeah, it's the gate. Come through that. But my viewers, I have never come this side before. I have never come this side before. Look at that. Look at that lookout down there. I have never come this side before. I know people come here for walks, but I have never come this far over. I always come to that side. Wow, I can see all the way to Stapsley. My viewers, it is beautiful up here. Have you ever come up here for a walk before? Let me know, my viewers, in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section, my viewers, if you ever come up here before. It is beautiful up here, my viewers. Wow. So another lady walking all the way down there. Well, as I said, I have never known. Wow, look at this, my viewers. Look how beautiful. What if I can go down there? I would love to. Wow. I would love to go down that hill. My viewers, look at this. Have you ever been over here before, my viewers? Let me know. It is absolutely beautiful up here. And I have never been up here before. Now, today, I never planned to do all this walking, my viewer, but me I tell you, I'm glad I come because, woo, never realized the place was so nice up here. I never realized up here was so nice. Look at that, my viewers. Look at that. Look at that, my viewers. Let me know if you ever come up here before and what you think about up here, my viewers. Look at the beauty. The wind is heavy though. The wind is heavy. That's a good drop. That is a good drop down there, my viewers. Wow. Look at the view. Look at the view. Look at the view. See them, the viewers? Those buildings way out there is Marsh Farm and Ring. And that one is Downs Dunstable Hospital. Yeah. And that one way over there, far, far, is Aldi warehouse. Alright, so what I want to do, it's very windy up here. Wow. I want to circle this hill and get back down. I even want to go on that pint. I want to go on that pint there where that dirt track is. Yeah, so I'm gonna find my way, because as I said, I have never been up here. I never even realized there was so much land up here, to be honest and truthfully. I never realized there was so much land up here. Wow. There is a lot of land up here. If you want to have a good picnic, a good walkabout, a good stroll about, this is where to come. This is where to come. Yeah. Come out one Sunday evening. Get the children them. Bring them out and let them loose. Yeah. Or one Saturday evening. The weather is nice now. It's a farm over there. Yeah. Right, so wow, it's going down is even harder than coming up. So as I said, my viewers, I want to go up on top of that hill over there. Don't ask me how am I gonna get up here or where am I gonna walk to go up here. But I want to go up on top of that little pinnacle there. I don't know if I'm gonna do it, but it's my aim to go up on top of that little pinnacle. Look at it. My viewers, trust me. Hear the wind. Hear the wind, my viewers. Whoa. So, a while ago, I was over there. But I am going around and show you, my viewers, where I want to go. I don't know, I'm not even sure how to get down there. Because I said I have never been up here before, but I just love these things, man. Look at them. The bees them supposed to have a field day up here. The bees them supposed to have a field day. Here's one. Here's one, my viewer. He's supposed to have a field day. Watch him. Yeah. He just sit there. He just sit there enjoying himself. Wow. So, how do I get down there back? Can you last in our woods? Can you last in our forest? All I know, I want to get down to the bottom of the hill back. And I don't know how I'm going to get down there because I can't see the track going down. But I'm walking. Out there is Dunstable, my viewers. That's Dunstable. So, those industrial estate out there is where Wicks is. Yeah, that's what where Wicks is. Yeah. So right where those industrial estate is where Wicks is. Now, wow, I walk more than what my plan was today. So, my aim is to get back down. My aim is to get back down on the flat. That hill them say I want to go up. I don't think I'm gonna go up there. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna cross this fence. I'm gonna head myself down this wire fence here. And hoping. So I'm going through some bushes now. Some grasses. There's no track. I mean, say, oh, you know what? Go back over the other side. Go back over the other side because I can see footprint gone down there. Yeah, I can see footprint gone down there. Still in Neckle is in here. And the stinny neck will take me. And it's not gonna nice. So I'm going through the gate. Alright, my viewers, so follow me. I'm gonna head down this hill here. Wow. I want to get back on the flat. I don't think I can afford to climb any more hill because, wow, I'm burning out now. I'm burning out now. So, there's a gate. I can see another gate. Gate down there. Once I get down to that gate, then I'm on the flat. I don't think I'm going to climb the hill again to go up where I say I want to go. Because, man. But my viewers, I'm glad I come for this walk. I'm glad I come for this walk. And I would said, look at that flat down there. So, for who never come here before, you can drive your car, park it out on the road, and climb this hill with your children. Help them to get fit. Help them to get fit. Because they need to exercise. And this is a good way to get your children to exercise. Yeah, bring them out. Hope here is dry. It is nice. Bring a picnic. Bring them out for a couple hours. Let them run up and down. There's flat ground and there is hills. I am not gonna go up where I did plan to go because I realized that, man, there is more than what I planned. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not even gonna go back that way. I'm gonna head left and try to come back out on the road because it is a lot of walking, my viewers. So I'm back on the flat now. I am back on the flat now, my viewers. So as you can see down there. Yo! Yeah!
Come on! Wait, what's your name?
Bonnie 7 UK.
Are you the one that walks across Dunstable?
Yeah!
Yeah, I've seen your video!
Yeah!
I actually subscribed to you!
Yeah?
Yeah!
Alright.
Come on, I'm in the video!
So my viewers, as you can see, my viewers, I want to go down there, but I thought there was a place here to walk because what I want to do, I want to head down to Dunstable Road. I want to head down to Dunstable Road where I can cross over the road. Yeah. So this is like a cow pasture, and that's where the cow them drink water. Yeah.
Can I say hi? One more time. Hi. Hi.
Wagwan General.
Subscribe.
Hello.
Subscribe to Bunny UK 7.
Yeah, I just meet all these kids here riding through the park while I'm walking.
I watched this
So they're going to,
Sure you watching it?
them going out to have a ride about. So wicked, yeah? Have fun, yeah? And be good now. If you can't be good, be careful, yeah? Alright. Yes, my viewer. So as I said, I just meet these kids on my walk. I don't know where they're walking from, but yeah, I am walking through. This is a nice piece of green out here, man. Wow. Nice, nice. Nice piece of green out here. So I am out here my viewers, and I am doing the walk. My aim is to find a place that will bring me back out onto the main road. I am not sure exactly, but my aim is to find somewhere that will bring me back out onto the main road. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna turn down this way. I'm gonna go down this way. My viewer, me say, I never know that there was so much green up this side, man. I never know there was so much green up this side. So yeah, all right, so my viewers, thank you. If you follow me so far on this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment and subscribe to the channel. It is your boy Bunny. I am gonna go out onto the busway now, and I am gonna end this video right on the busway. Yeah. So this is the busway, my viewers. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna end this video here, and I'm gonna walk down on the busway and try and find a place where I can cross over. So don't forget to like and share. So alright, my viewers, so this is the busway that take you into Luton Town Centre that way, and if I turn around this way, it will take you into Dunstable. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk down to the bus stop, because I think I see a bus stop down further on in front of me. So I'm gonna walk down to the bus stop, and I think once I get to the bus stop, with this bird in this bush, this bird, they get quiet now, they hear my voice. Yeah, so my viewers, I'm gonna walk down to the bus stop, because I believe to myself that once I get to that bus stop, it should be something for me to cross over the other side. 20 mile. Yeah, I believe once I get to that bus stop, it should be something that lead me onto the other side. And I'm gonna cross down. Wow. My viewers, I never planned to do so much walk today. I never planned to do so much walk today, but I enjoy the walk. So it's 20, the bus is 20. So I am in Dunstable, and I am walking on the busway, and it's 20 miles. I don't know if I will see a bus before I cross over. There's a cycle coming up. So this is the cycle part. Alright, here's a bus. Here's a bus coming, my viewers. Yeah. So that's gonna stop at the bus stop. That's gonna stop at the bus stop, my viewers. Nobody come off, only somebody go on. But what are you? They still use indicator. They still use indicator. So my viewers, I am out here, and I'm gonna show you, my viewers, I'm gonna show you this thing here will tell you how long the bus take to come. Yeah. So yeah. So I am out here, and I am doing the walkabout. There is another bus coming. Another bus coming. This one. Alright. So yes, my viewers, so I am out here doing the walkabout same way. Continue to walk with me. So now I am gonna go down here, across the road. I'm gonna go down this part because, as I said, I am heading back into Luton side and I am doing the walk. Don't know exactly where I'm walking because, as I said, I am not familiar with this side. Oh, I know where me is. I know exactly where me is. Oh. Wow. Yeah. So, can I get into this park from here? Can I get into this park from here? So my viewers, I am out here and I am doing the walkabout. As you can see, I don't know if I can go in through this, if this gate is available as lock. Oh, it's lock off. This is lock off. Oh, it's open. Yeah. I thought the gate is locked, but it's open. So I'm gonna walk down now, my viewers. Wow, look how big this screen is, my viewers. Look how big this screen is. If I try to post this video and one video today, it's probably too long because I sure me gone over an hour already. Sure me gone over an hour already. But my viewers, I am still out here, still walking about, still doing the vlogs. So don't forget to like and share, comment and subscribe to the channel. I thought I didn't know where me is, but this is a different park from the one I'm thinking about. This is a different park from the one that I am thinking about. This is a different park. But there's a gate down there, so I'm gonna go right around and then come back around. Yeah, all these big green out here, my viewers. All right. Look at that, my viewers. I am just doing the walkabout. I can't remember ever come around this side before. Can't remember Look, I'm coming from up on top of that hill. On top of that hill up there, that's where I'm coming from. I am out here doing the walkabout. I am not sure. I thought I didn't know where I was, but I'm not. So I'm gonna walk until I come out somewhere where I know where I is. Alright, so I can see a traffic light down there. Can see a traffic light down there. So when I get to that traffic light, then I will know exactly where me is. Cause that's, yeah, cause I know. Alright, yeah. See the pub over there. So if I go down here, it bring me out down to Catherine Drive if I cross over. Alright, so I am gonna do a right turn. So I am gonna do a right turn at this traffic light here, my viewers. So if I go that way, I'm going to Dunstable. But I don't want to go to Dunstable. So I'm coming from up there, right up on top of that hill. That's where I'm coming from. So I am going to turn around, all the way around. So there we have traffic. So my viewers, as I said, I am out here and I am doing the walkabout, as you can see. So don't forget, my viewers, to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. It is your boy Bunny and I am out here doing the walkabout. Yes, my viewers, so as I said, I am out here and I am doing the walkabout. So all you have to do is follow me on the journey and like and share. So this way, if I carry on this way, it will bring me out to Junction 11 and the M1 by Downs Dunstable Hospital. Hello. Yeah. So that house over there is for sale. Yeah, so I am out here walking. It is a nice and a beautiful evening, and I just decided to just bring you out, my viewers, and give you a little tour. This walking is more than what I did plan this evening, so I'm gonna cut out this video. So this video should be a 3-part video, but I'm gonna do a 2-part and a 1-part. So what I'm gonna do, the one that I do from Pointers Road up to the hill, I'm gonna put those two together, and then the one then the one that I do come down, then that one I will put to itself. So my viewers, up on that hill, through them two houses there, up on the hill there, some people up there walking, that's where I am coming from, up on the top of that hill. Yeah, so I am out here and I am doing the walk. I am doing the walk, my viewers. I am doing the walk. So my viewers, look at my my setup in my hand. You can see my setup in my hand and the shadow. And this I have, and this setup I have 2 light, a microphone, 2 battery pack. Yeah. Yes, as I said, on my setup, I have a microphone, 2 battery pack, and 2 light on my setup. So I am walking on the Dunstable Road, my viewers, going to Arts, the hospital side. But I can't help show up on that hill. That is where I'm coming from. All the way up on that hills I'm coming from. Yeah. So my viewers, this is what I do. And I enjoy doing it. So, if you watch the video before this one, those hills up there, where there was walking, those red or white dirt is, that's where I was on top of that hill up there. So as you can see, my viewers, where I'm coming from. So as I said, don't forget to like and share and comments and subscribe to the channel as I take you on the walk. As I said, it is a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day and I am out here doing the walkabout. Alright, yeah man, yeah. It is a beautiful day, my viewers, and I am out here and I am doing the walkabout. That's my shadow. See that white cliff up there. That's where I want to go up on that pinnacle. But I never get to go on that white pinnacle. I was up where that person is on the top of it. That's where I was. But next time I will go back up there. I will go back up there next time. So my viewers, if you enjoy walking with me today, let me know if you enjoy this walk with me by just subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comments, and let me know what you think about Luton, the area, my walking, and who I speak to. Yeah. See, that's how much I wasn't sure where I was, because when I come out to the side of the road and I said I know where me is, I thought I was coming down this road here. Because when I see the park, I thought the park was that park over there. Yeah. So as I said, I was up there on top of that hill. That's where I was, on top of that hill. I was on top of that hill. You know what? I'm gonna try my best to see if I can put these videos into one, because it's gonna be long. But I'm gonna try to see if I can chop them into one, because there's a lot in it to cut up. See, my viewers, I thought I was in that park, but only to realize that I wasn't in that park. Yeah, so I thought I was over that park, but only to realize that I wasn't at that park. But I'm still carrying on the walk, in my viewers, so continue to follow me on the journey. So remember, over there is Tesco. It's Tesco over there. Yeah, over there is Tesco. Continue to walk with me, my viewers. Continue to walk with me. Continue to like and share and comment and subscribe to the channel. It is your boy Bunny, and I am out here doing the walkabout. So my viewers, I take you around and I bring you back. But continue to me, follow me to the end of the journey. Follow me to the end of the journey, like and share, comment and subscribe to the channel. It is your boy Bunny. I am on the walk. So I am back to the roundabout, my viewers. So I'm gonna aim to cross over the roundabout. Wow. So my viewers, as you can see, I am out here. I am doing the walk. So yes, my viewers, I am coming up to the end of this video now. So straight out they will take you to Downs Dunstable Hospital. But I am not going to go to the hospital, I'm going to go down here. So this is where I will end this video, my viewers. So if you follow me so far, let me take this moment to say thank you very much. Follow me so far on this video, and don't forget to like, don't forget to leave a comments, and if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so now and be a part of this wonderful family. Yeah, so as I am doing the walk down, I'm still rolling my camera a bit. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. So my viewers, as I said again, thank you very much for following me so far on this evening walk. It is a long walk and a long video, but thank you very much for following me, and I will catch you on the next video. Peace, love. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy the walk. So yeah, have a blessed evening. Catch you in the next video. I'm out. Peace and love. I'm out.